The Nothing Phone 3A is generating significant anticipation ahead of its expected launch in 2025, likely during the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. This upcoming mid-range smartphone is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, offering users vibrant visuals and a smooth experience. Under the hood, it is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, ensuring efficient performance for multitasking and daily use. Photography enthusiasts may appreciate the anticipated triple rear camera setup, which includes a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. The device is also expected to house a 5000 mAh battery with support for 65W fast charging, allowing for extended usage and quick recharging. Design-wise, the Phone 3A is likely to continue Nothing's signature transparent aesthetics, offering a unique and modern look. As the launch date approaches, tech enthusiasts are keen to see how the Nothing Phone 3A will stand out in the competitive smartphone market.